Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always supporting this channel. I really do appreciate. If today is the first time you are coming across this platform or you are hearing our voice for the first time, I still remain AGATHA Progress, bringing it to you back to back. Remember, I promise that I will be giving it to you the way I know that you are expecting it and you will get it correctly. All right, my holistic people, today is another wonderful one again. Today is the 31st day of March 2022. Before April 4th, you will understand. That is the word to Governor of Anambra State, Soludo. And today is very fortunate that the 31st day of March is crying already. And he released a press release. He said, on the burning of Inewu South Local Government Secretariat last night, this is a message we must spread. Hey, this is a message we must spread. All right, so we are here to follow Soludo to spread the message right now. So listen to the message. He said that Ipob, Eastern Security Network, the movement for the actualization of several states of Biafra, as well as the desperate armed group in the forest, it is time to interrogate both the purpose and the means of your campaign. To the politicians playing politics with the insecurity, you are riding a tiger. The current state is a desolation road. Let us get around the table and talk. Let the elite in the closet come out, and let's debate our future and flush out our consent. The conspiracy of silence by the elite and some community leaders must end. If you see something, say or do something. Securing Igbo land and Nigeria must be our collective responsibility. Let those in the forest come out, surrender their guns, and let's work together to rehabilitate the empowerment to empower you to contribute positively to the peace and prosperity of our homeland. From Governor of Anambra State, Soludo. So, my realistic people, why I brought this out is about what happened today in Inewi, because Soludo have said this before and he starts sharing it again and telling everybody that this is his target, that he never mean anything bad for the Ipob, he everly mean them good. The Eastern Security Network, everybody should come out so that they work together, because of what happened today was like a dream to him. The secretariat was totally burnt down, honestly. And you come and see Soludo, he was just crying and saying, this is heartbreaking. You know, he have not seen this type of situation before. He has not come across this type of situation before. So it just looked like a tiger play on him. It just looked like a film on him. So now he realized suddenly that, no, I need to go back to go and meet my people. I need to reshuffle, because, you know, he came in and what he said marvels everybody. Everyone was so happy with him, okay? Everybody was happy with him. They were so in peace with him, saying that, oh, Soludo has come to stay, he has come to do a lot of things, he has come to change the narrative. But boof, Soludo just changed the other way around, okay? He changed the other way around and he started going after the Ipob. He started going after the Eastern Security Network in another different way. Why? Because you see, I made a statement before and I said, there are some people that are really ready to work. There are some people that are ready to hear the cry of the people. There are some people that are saying, oh, these are my family, these are my people, I want to work with them. But do you know that because of the Godfather reason, they can't do anything? Yes, so if person like Soludo want to rise up to help, to work, people are going to call him to order and said, no, you don't need to join those people. You don't need to make them look as if you are afraid of them. Give them iron hand. Teach them the lesson that they will not forget in a hurry. And bush, Soludo started. They just spoiled his career, his purpose, and everything. People so much admire him. Like, a lot of people were talking about him. Why some people said, no, you people should not talk about him that way. You people should allow him to work. Let him work first. Let us see his infant. Let us see what he can do. Wish. And he showed his character. What happened to him today looks like a film. Unknown government sent a message to him and said he should stay clear. At least for Soludo to come in, to be behaving like someone that is ready to work with the people is a welcoming development, okay? Is a welcoming development, but the aspect of godfatherism that is preventing him from doing what he should have done, there were some people that will call him and tell him, no, don't work with them, carry them with iron hand. And you see Soludo, he start changing, okay? Because they know that Soludo will be one of the greatest governor, okay? People admire him, people love the way he started, but he did not handle the issue with the present situation. He's not handling the issue with care. Because violence you are seeing, when a child is doing something that is wrong, there is a way you confront the child. Maybe the child is holding a sharp object. If you scream, the child is going to use that object to cut his or herself. And you know what will happen. So that is the situation right now. Soludo came in and tried to make peace reign and tried to calm the situation. But because of those people around him, they did not give him the chance or give him the proper advice, and he is trying to impose something on the people. Instead, he have a table talk, just like what he said. He promised to have a table talk. He promised to reason with them. He promised to hear their cry. He promised to clean their tears. But what happened? He's turning it the other way around, trying to use violence, trying to use as usual, and it's not going to go well with the people. Yes, and when such behavior did not go well with the people, what are you expecting? Just take a note. What will you expect when something like this is not going on very well with the people? You see the youth, they start raising up the other way around. So that is why it is good for you to be subject to your people. You are there to serve them. You are there to carry out their plea. You are there to make them to feel at home. You are there to make them to know that yes, Anambra State belongs to them. But anything that involves the military, anything that involves the uniform men, come on, you are going out of the track already. Like what happened on Monday. He tried to involve the military men, and that is what caused a lot of things, okay? So my message this moment is that Soludo is already calling. In fact, he is trying to make a mistake, but he better realize that being violent won't help the situation, okay? So thank you once again for always supporting this channel. I really do appreciate. I still remain your one and only AGATHA Progress, bringing it to you live and direct. Please join this family because that's the best thing that you will do right now. Take us to the permanent site. See you when I see you. From me to you. From here, I said bye.